My wife and I are redecorating the bathroom, and we ordered a new toilet paper holder to go into this hole in the wall. And it looks like that. The only problem is it didn't come with the bracket that holds it into place. You can order a bracket that fits from Amazon for about $10, only guess what? It's out of stock. So my wife said, why don't you 3D print one? So I got into FreeCAD, designed this little component, sent it off to my 3D printer. And a little over an hour later, I had this. Now all I needed to do was attach this to the back of the toilet paper holder with 2 long screws. With those screws all attached, it's just a matter of slipping the bracket into the wall and tighten up the 2 screws. They're very long screws, so this took a while. Da-dee-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-dee-da. Now with the toilet paper holder securely fastened to the wall, we can put on a roll of toilet paper and ta-da! Fasten to the wall. The clamp on Amazon was priced at $9, and I 3D printed this for $1.10 worth of material.